guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a first impression review on the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue, I almost said shampoo and conditioner, foundation and concealer. I also have the seamless sponge that I'm trying out for the first time. These products are brand new. I don't think this one's brand new. I'm not 100% sure. I just want to go ahead and hop right into the video, give you guys all the information. Don't forget, if there's any other products you want me to try, leave it down below in the comments. Alright, so starting out, I'll give you all the information first and then we'll go in there and put it on. I'm not doing an all-day wear test today. I'm sorry, but I have some other things to do. But I will let you know if I leave it on in the description, anything, any info, basically, any updates. Okay, so going in with the foundation information, so this is the Meet Your Hue foundation. I chose the color 120 Light Medium. I do think I could have been between a light medium and a medium, but based on the pictures online, I felt like this was the most fitting, like how it looks, like, and then the picture that they had, like the comparison. So let's hope that's my foundation color, or at least close. You guys know I don't mind a little bit lighter because my setting powder can make it a little darker. So this foundation does retail for $36. You guys, Dose of Colors, I love their packaging. It's always super sleek and clean, but super elegant looking. The foundation it does have high pigment, it's a matte finish, it's buildable, it's lightweight, and it's long wearing. Now to apply it, they suggest a sponge, your fingertips, or whatever you prefer to apply foundation. So you shouldn't have any issues applying it with a brush or with any other sponges or anything like that. They do send you a face chart or something like that, I believe is what it's called. I'm assuming this is for, just in case this isn't your foundation shade, they give you your range of shades. So the one I got was actually this one, and it looks super yellowy here, but it doesn't look as yellowy here, if that makes sense. It might look that way still. So from these right here, there is 42, I believe, 42 foundation shades. So yes, so they do have plenty of options, and then it all has to do with, like, you know, undertones and all that stuff. So just so you know, you can, I believe you can just order these and then pick your shade first and then order the big size. That way you don't have to, you know, worry about wasting your money. Moving on to the Meet Your Hue concealer. I got the shade 20 medium tan, I believe, and that's again based off the pictures online and stuff like that. They do have a quiz thing, and I kept clicking it, but there was no quiz, so I was totally confused. Maybe there was a glitch that day, I'm not really sure. I'll link the website down below if you want to check it out, and then maybe the quiz thing will work for you. But yes, so this is the concealer shades. They again have quite a bit of shade range. This one doesn't have the little, like, sample try your concealer shade type of thing. So the concealer is supposed to be blendable, lightweight, long wearing, and full coverage. And all their products that I have today are vegan, cruelty-free, talc-free, and paraben. And then the foundation is also oil-free. The concealer is formulated with sunflower seed oil, shea butter, and natural vitamin E. So, you know, it's always great to use a product that's also good for your skin, because that's where it's laying. And the concealer does retail for $24. Now the sponge, I haven't wet it yet because I wanted to show you the actual size. So the actual size of the sponge is, it looks pretty tiny, but I have a feeling once you wet it, it's going to expand quite a bit. I don't know if this was on sale, but it is a final sale product. I don't know if, I mean, I would never return a beauty sponge, but I don't know, maybe people do. So it does say like final sale, and they even like highlight it. Yeah, they even put highlight over it to make sure that you're aware. And this was $15. But it is nice to have this little tip for going into the under eye. So I'm going to go ahead and wet the sponge so we can get started. And I haven't put any primers on or anything like that. We will do that together. So I went ahead and I wet the sponge. So clearly it grew in size. So that's always expected. I will say it feels just like a tiny bit firmer than my Real Technique sponge, so we'll see how that works with that. So you guys, I finally ordered the full size of the Hydro Grip primer. So I'm going to go in with the Hydro Grip primer, and the full size looks like this. You guys, I love this packaging. I love it. A little ASMR. That probably sounded weird. So now that we have that on, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the step 1 from Makeup Forever. And I'm basically just taking that on my nose. And then I'm going to take the slightest amount and apply it right here, just because I have like the most texture right there. And then I'm just going to take a tiny bit right here on the forehead. So you guys could see the difference like with the primer, how it like mattifies everything and kind of just like almost makes it like a little even. So going in with that foundation, I'm just going to make sure it's nicely mixed, and then we're going to do one pump in the back of the hand, so that is quite light. You guys know though my setting powder is more my skin tone, so I think this will be, I hope this will be fine. So just going in with the sponge, I'm going to go in with the flat part. So I'm trying to see how much I can cover with one pump, which so far I feel like it's going on pretty well. So the shade is a tiny bit light for me, but honestly, I'm going on with my second pump. I'm going to actually just do like half a pump. I don't think I'm going to need a full pump. But honestly, this is what I prefer because my powder is more my skin tone. So this just helps give it a little bit of dimension. 1.5 pumps, and I would say that it definitely covered me pretty well to be like a first layer. So there's no creasing or anything weird on the nose, which is usually my trouble spot, honestly. And my forehead looks just fine. I just want to really quickly comment and say I'm going to go in with well, that was half a pump. I do just want to quickly say that it may be the lights, it may be, I don't know, the camera itself. I don't have any settings on the camera that help filter anything out, so my videos aren't filtered, but sometimes I do notice that it doesn't, my skin looks way more soft than it is. And I will tell you guys always, I don't think that I've ever seen anybody that doesn't have any texture on their skin. Even if it's just the smallest bit, I think that skin just has texture. So I don't want you guys to think that my skin is, oh my gosh, like, no. That's why I try to zoom it in for you guys, and I try to show you, because sometimes, you know, you see these beauty videos and you're just like, wow, my makeup does not look anywhere close to that. Technically 2 pumps total, and it still feels pretty lightweight. Again, nothing weird on my nose or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom you in one more time super quickly, and hopefully you can see. I definitely think it gives you that your skin but better, because I live. So we're going to go in with the concealer. I am just going to set it with my Airspun translucent powder. You guys know pretty much every concealer works great with that. So I feel like this one shouldn't be any different. And then we'll go in and set the rest of the face. And then I'm going to go in with the bottom side first. And then turn it around and use that pointier side. Okay, you guys, that concealer, that was very nice. And I could totally add more if I wanted to because it does not feel heavy or anything like that, but I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it right there and I'm just going to set it. Oh yes. Yeah. I like the concealer. You guys, that looks almost like a blurified down at the bottom. And I do think that it's partly the concealer because you guys saw, like right before. I live. I am so excited, you guys. Okay, so before I set my face, I just want to kind of go into my mirror here and see what it's looking like. You guys, I feel like the foundation is laying like really nicely. So you can still see a couple of my texture of like these little guys here, but nothing too bad. And I think everywhere else it looks smooth, even where I put that Milk Hydro Grip primer. So now we're gonna go ahead and set the rest of the face. And you guys, I'm just using what I always use, which is my True Match powder. So I'm going to go ahead and dust this off first. You guys, the under eye looks amazing. I'm like super impressed. If I'm being honest, I feel like Dose of Colors, I've never tried anything that I didn't absolutely love by them, which most of the stuff that I have from them are from the Desi X Katie collection. But you guys, like, I don't know, I guess I'm just more impressed than I thought I would be. My little pelitos. Oh my god, I got these diademas to help me push back my little hairs, guys, because I'm really trying not to put so much product in my hair. Okay, so first impressions, you guys, I'm gonna zoom you in now that I'm all set. I'm in love. I don't know how else to say it. I'm in love. I feel like I'm gonna be very surprised if this doesn't last. I don't know how long I'll have it on. Like I said, I'm not going to do a full try on today. I'll keep you guys updated in the description. So if you're interested to know, check the description. Because so far this foundation is worth every dollar. And again, the foundation is $36. And that concealer, I hope that it's literally coming out to you guys the way that it looks here in person. Because it totally like I told you guys, I'll always have lines, and I think that's because my eyeball is like so forward, but I do have a little bit of texture there, and it just, I feel like it got blurred out and stuff like that. Okay, let me zoom you in so you can look at this. That's it, guys. I'm not gonna spritz my face. I'll show you guys a little glimpse at the end. But I do have another product that I'm doing a first impressions on. So I'm going to finish my makeup off with that, and then I'll come back in here and just show you really quick what it looks like. Okay guys, so I'm back. If you're interested in the highlight, there is another video for those. Check that out. Under $6. Love, love, love. Anyway, if you're wondering what's on the lip, Alemar Cosmetics, Coqueta. Put it on really lightly. That's it. So I just want to zoom you in. I did spritz it with my Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray, so you can check out the foundation, check out the concealer. I put a little blush on, but that's it. You guys, I love this foundation and this concealer, but I'll link it all down below. Let me zoom you in so you can check it out. So this is what I'm looking like. You guys, I love it. I can't tell you enough how much I love it. I hope that it looks just as good on your guys' end as it does here in person. Check it out. Like I said, I'll link it down below. And that's it, you guys. That's what I have for you guys. If I have any other updates, like if something's going weird or whatever, I'll try to leave you guys a little update like right before I upload the video. That way you guys know. I will have it on at least for like a couple hours, I think, because I'm going to run out and do some things. But I don't know if it'll be like 5 hours, 10 hours. I don't know. I'm just letting you know. My update will be based on when I take it off. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys try out this foundation and concealer. If you're having a hard time finding a foundation and concealer, like I said, you can order the little face thingy on their website and they'll send it to you, and then you just open it up and then test out the foundation. They just put like a dab or two in there, but then you can see which one is more your skin tone. Again, we all like foundations in different ways. Some of us like it lighter with a darker setting powder. Some of us like it to be matchy-matchy. Whatever it is that you like. But I will let you guys go. I will see you in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget, subscribe before you head out. Ring the little bell to get notified every time I upload a video and you don't miss out on amazing makeup. Don't forget, share my videos with your friends and family. They might be struggling to find a foundation and a concealer. You guys, if I could buy this for you guys, I would buy it for every one of you guys. That's how much I love it. But I will see you in my next one. Adios.